Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my unboxing and setup video for the Mellex Light Strips. You can use these light strips as backlights for anything, literally anything. You can put them at the back of your computer, back of your TV, under your bed, under your coffee table. You can do whatever you want with them. It really just changes the scene. Now when you first open it up, it might look a bit daunting, but it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of like a roll of tape. You just unravel it, peel the sticky side, and stick it to the back of wherever you're trying to illuminate. Also be mindful that you need to plug this into a USB. So wherever you put it, make sure there's a port where you can put a USB discreetly. And once that's connected, switch on the device that will power your USB, and as you can see, it's up and running. The next thing you need to do is, on your phone, use the QR scanner to scan the code for the app. The app isn't on the App Store, so I was a little bit wary about this, but I've downloaded it and I've had no issues. It connects by Bluetooth, so switch on your Bluetooth on your phone and it'll pick up the light strips straight away. Once you're connected, you can change the color of the light strips. In fact, when you're speaking into the microphone, the lights change color in sync with your words. It's pretty straightforward. It's something nice to have around the house. I found that it impresses guests when they come over, especially when I have kids over. It's quite entertaining for them. But on a more serious note, I find that it's quite beneficial for when I'm watching a film. My eyes get tired because you're in a dark room, you're staring at the screen, there's no kind of background light. But just having that light in the back, it really changes the scene. So there's my unboxing and setup video, and there's also a quick review in there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have, remember to like and subscribe to TechLoto. Visit the Teespring page to buy some merch, and don't forget to visit the website.